I have a unique little piece of favosite, also known as Charlevoix Stone. This one's so different because it's looks like it's mostly quartz, like the whole thing's been crystallized, and is just much lighter in color compared to how these usually are. I did take it to this first diamond wheel here on the left and thought, what the heck, I think I'll make a video taking it down the line here and see how this stone turns out. I'll take it back to this first 80 mesh diamond wheel and we'll get started. For anyone interested in a little history on this stone, the Charlevoix Stone is actually older than the Petoskey Stone. Alright, we'll take a quick look here. Not perfect, but it's starting to shape up nicely. Alright, we'll bring it to the next wheel here, which is a 220 diamond wheel. Clean it up a little bit more. So yeah, as far as the age of this stone, at least according to what I found online, Charlevoix stones can be over 400 million years old in comparison to the Petoskey stones, which are typically referenced to be around 350 million years ago. Here's a nice side-by-side comparison of a Charlevoix next to a Petoskey stone. The main visual difference is the pattern, or what they refer to as the eyes, are much smaller, much closer together on Charlevoix. One bit of advice just from my own experience is on these machines, you have to really keep that stone continuously moving round and round to get it to have the right effect that you're looking for, because obviously if you are in one spot too long, it's going to create a flat area, and then that itself can be hard to get out and blend in and give the stone that nice round natural look you're going for. Okay, on to the last wheel here, the 3000 grit, and after this I think we will drill a hole in the top of this. I'm thinking about just making this a pendant, maybe putting a couple silver grommets in it and sprucing it up a little. Some of these little eyes in this favosite were already void to begin with, so obviously no matter how much I ground away, it's always going to be a little void spot in there and look like a little pit. So some of those are in the middle and I just didn't mess with them. Just decided to keep moving and see how it turns out. I'm going to start first by drilling a smaller hole. I'm going to do a 2mm hole, and after I got that one started, then we will switch out to a 5mm. This clever contraption you're seeing here with my tube, it's since been upgraded, but that's actually, going off to the left and going up. It's all being gravity fed by from a 5-gallon bucket that I have. I never really knew the importance of the RPMs on a drill in relation to the size bit that you're using, so kind of had to learn the hard way on that, but this one goes up to, I believe, 8,000 or so. But basically the smaller drill bit you have, the higher the RPM you're going to want. And the bigger diameter bit you have, then you can get the RPMs going slower. There we go. There's some slight imperfections around the hole, little chips that came off. That side not so much. Anyways, I hope that is hidden by the grommet. Alright, well, I took it to the buffing wheel and then carefully adhered these sterling silver 5mm grommets in each side. I am by no means an expert at this, but do hope to continually improve my skills with this part of lapidary. I hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a good one.